Hello guys, how are you? All of you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the third video of my YouTube channel. In my previous videos I have shown you a complete Shopify guide, and also in the other video I have shown you how to make money with selling your photos. If you are new to our channel, make sure to watch these two videos, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and turn on the notification so you'll be able to get my videos. Okay, so here I'm back. We were talking about our next video. So in this video I'm going to show you one of the best ad network in the entire internet. I think you have heard about this ad platform before. It's none of other than Google AdWords. Here we go. It's none of than Google AdWords. Google Ads. Let's say Google Ads, right? Just Google search on Google as Google Ads, and you will get to these links. And let's go to this one. Okay, right, the correct link is ads.google.com. So what you have to check is go to this link and check out this everything. As you can see, there are so many options that we can use to promote our businesses or anything with this Google AdWords. And also I have to say that this is one of the cheapest way to market your business. So if you are from United States, Germany or somewhere like that, you can also get an AdWord coupon which will save you a lot of money. As you can see here, you can see this everything, how it works. And if you take a look at this cost, set a budget that works for you. So actually the best thing which I personally like about this Google AdWords is we can set our own budgets, right? We can set the minimum bid, and also we can set the maximum bid. It's pretty good, right? To start placing ads, you just have to click on this start now button. Then you will automatically sign up to the account like this. I think you have seen this is my email. You will be automatically signed into their platform. Then after that you have just to start creating your campaign. So now I'm stopping here. So if you need any other thing to know, just let me know in the comment section. I'll also do a fully complete video about this Google AdWords in another video. If you learn something new from this video, just make sure to give me a like, and also subscribe to my channel if you want more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.